Hello and welcome to another episode of our rhinoplasty series. In this video, I'm going to talk about the way to clean the nose after rhinoplasty. Cleaning the nose after rhinoplasty is important because it prevents infection and makes nasal breathing easier. You will remove the tampon packing inside your nose and the splint within a week after the surgery. And then you can start cleaning your nose by this time. Your doctor will provide a set of instructions to clean the nose properly without causing any harm to the healing tissue. Some of them include: use Qtip and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, that is also known as dihydrogen dioxide, hydrogen dioxide, hydrogen oxide, oxidol, and peroxide is easily available at drugstores. These are available at a 3% concentration more or less, but remember to dilute it by using clean water. Use sanitized and clean Q-tip to clean inside the nostril to remove dried blood and mucus by inserting them inside the nose. This method should be used only after removing the packing from your nose. This cleaning method is simple but should be done gently. 1. Put some hydrogen peroxide on a Q-tip. 2. Gently insert the Q-tip in your nostril to remove the dried blood. Rinse with saline solution. About 1 week after the surgery, doctors usually ask patients to use saline rinses to irrigate the nasal passages to keep off any infection. The patients can make a saline solution at home by adding half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of boiled water, or buy a saline solution from a drugstore. In a salad rinse, with the help of a clean bowl, a low-pressure stream of water is sent into the nasal passages. The water goes through one nostril while it exits through the other. Cleaning outside of the nose after rhinoplasty. Sometimes mucus can harden and form a crust around the nose. In order to clean the hardened crust, pat the area gently with a moist napkin to soften it. Regularly applying a moist towel can reduce the swelling considerably. Use warm water instead of cold water, as it will provide more comfort. After a few days of the surgery, you can wash the face regularly. Note that all the above-mentioned points should be carried out only after proper consultation with the surgeon. I hope this video is useful for you. For more information, I have shared a link with you in the description part. Feel free to ask any questions you have about rhinoplasty or other kinds of plastic surgery. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on this button here so that you won't miss the next episode of our rhinoplasty series.